So you are a newbie in the gym and you want to get large and aesthetic like David Lade. So you are at the right place, bro. Wait bro. Before you jump on to another video, let me tell you the truth first, even if it like ruins my viewership. When you will first start going to the gym, even if you will have the most sugary, the most processed diet paired with a bad sleep, even then you will gain fucking some muscles. But we are not here to talk about that you will gain fucking muscles when you will first start going to the gym. We are here to maximize your muscle growth when you will be a newbie to get ahead than most of the guys. We are here to get you amazing results as fast as you can. So on what truly depends on how much muscle you will gain are just 4 things leaving your genetics behind, which are testosterone, your diet, sleep, and then your workout. And you have to take these things in that order. So first, before we jump onto the knowledge, I must tell you that I also started like you, bro. When I first started going to the gym, I had zero knowledge about working out and diet. And for the first 3 months of me in the gym, I gained close to zero muscle. And I fucking got demotivated and left the gym. After 5 months of depression, I came back to the gym. I fucking sat down in my room, logged it, and researched all shit about diet, working out, and testosterone. Read all the articles and books. And after I started taking all the things in a systematic way, with applying the knowledge that I have learned from the books and the articles I have read, I have achieved amazing results that a newbie can't achieve if he follows the usual advice. So let's start. The first thing is testosterone. Testosterone is the only thing that makes you a man, that makes the difference between you and a woman. And most people these days don't have a high testosterone levels. And you want to have high testosterone levels even if your main aim is to gain muscles. But as a man, you should aim to increase your testosterone as much as you can, bro. And if I start to tell you what things increases testosterone and what decreases it, it will be an hour-long video. So I will cover some practical steps that you can take to increase your testosterone in the other categories. So let's jump on to the second category, which is your diet. So the first and the most important step that you should take when it comes to your diet is that cut off sugar and processed food. Especially sugars, bro. Just fucking cut off sugar. It has been deeply scientifically proven that after you eat fucking sugar, your free and total testosterone drops. So fucking stop eating sugar if you don't want to have lower testosterone levels, and fucking cut off junk food. If you just learn simple knowledge about nutrition, you will just fucking start hating processed food. So if you don't want to end up like normal people eating sugars and processed food, it will fucking make you lean, bro. Your body fat percentage will start dropping and your glycogen levels will surely decrease. Now we come on to the main thing, which is how can you follow a diet. When I first started going to the gym, I didn't know a shit about diet and how much protein I should eat. And I'm not going to give you a plan or a diet plan that you should follow. And now I'm going to give you advice that no one would give you, bro. If you follow this advice, you will fucking follow your diet. It will just take a few hours, bro. Just lock yourself in a room, take your smartphone or just your laptop and research about nutrition. Just search that what things you need in your diet to gain muscle, how much protein you should eat, and what protein sources you can eat that you can afford and that you will like to eat in your daily life. And when you will find sources of carbs, fats and proteins that you can eat daily, then just fucking make a recipe with them. Get into the kitchen and start experimenting with shit. It's the only way that can make you stick to your diet even if you are at the lowest. It's the only thing that will make you follow your diet, bro, because you will fucking emotionally invest in your diet. Because you will put some fucking efforts to prepare a new recipe with your ingredients that you have taken from the internet. And you will fucking follow your diet if you like make 2-3 meals like this. So now we come on to sleep. Sleep is the most underrated shit, bro. Most people, even of my age 16, 17, 18, just get like 6 or 7 hours of sleep. And people don't realize it, bro, that how important sleep is. And especially men, bro. I have been fucking improving my sleep from like past 8 months. I've been working on to get like at least 8 hours of sleep. And when someday when my mental health is damaged, I get like 6 or 7 hours of sleep, I fucking feel like a loser, bro. I will have low energy levels, low willpower, damaged focus, and many shit. And that day my mental health would be down, bro. And when I like feel like this, I just think that that's how a normal person feel these days. Because most people just get like 6 to 7 hours of sleep and they don't give a fuck about sleep. It should be like told in schools that fucking get 8 hours of sleep. And nobody will tell guys this shit that your testosterone is produced when you are in the last hours of your sleep, when you are in the deep REM cycle. And sleep is required for your muscle recovery, because muscle recovery also takes place when you are in the deep sleep cycle. So now the last thing is working out. Now you can follow any split that suits your routine, bro. But on what thing that you should focus after 2 months you have spent in the gym is that don't work out like a bitch. Work out like an animal. I see most people work out like a bitch, bro, because they would be like bench pressing and feel a little pain in their pecs and then keep the bar down. Like fucking work out like an animal, bro. Go to the failure. Achieve failure, bro. If you want to have the maximum muscle growth, then achieve failure. Now I hope that this video provided you some value, bro. So if I missed some things that you have also done in your fitness journey to get jacked quickly, then please comment down and correct me if I have said something wrong. So until then, brother, fail but never give up. Take care.